Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the early 2025 stock market roller coaster and highlighting our top-performing stocks over the past 33 days. Let's break down the market's moves and the catalysts driving our portfolio's success. Market overview 2025 has started with ups and downs. The S&P 500 hit an all-time intraday high this week but didn't close above its December peak. Since our December monthly meeting, the S&P 500 is up 3.7%, the Dow is up 4.2%, and the Nasdaq has advanced 3.2%. Our portfolio had several standout performers, including 1. Cera Energy plus 23.3%, 2. Nextracker plus 21.7%, 3. Goldman Sachs plus 14.2%, 4. GE Healthcare plus 12.8%, 5. Wells Fargo plus 12.6%. Here's how each stock achieved these gains. 1. Cera Energy plus 23.3%. Cera surged due to strength in energy commodities including WTI crude oil and natural gas. The stock's rally has made it a leader in the energy sector, which is the top-performing S&P 500 sector this year. Action. We trimmed our Cera position earlier this week to lock in a 1% gain on shares purchased in April 2022. Catalyst. The Trump administration's pro-energy policies and deregulation efforts are paving the way for increased American energy production. 2. Nextracker plus 21.7%. The solar stock rebounded sharply in early 2025 after a tough 2024. Analysts speculate the gains are partly due to tax loss harvesting reversals and optimism in the renewable energy sector. Mizuho named Nextracker a top pick, raising its price target, while then-President Joe Biden's executive order on clean energy infrastructure provided additional support. Action. We took profits in Nextracker twice since December. Catalyst. Renewed investor confidence and Biden's clean energy policies. 3. Goldman Sachs plus 14.2%. Goldman benefited from what we're calling the Trump trade, as investors expect a lenient regulatory environment under the new administration to boost Wall Street deal-making. Strong quarterly earnings on January 15, which reaffirmed Goldman's leadership in M&A advisory, further fueled the stock's gains. Action. We've been building our Goldman position since December while exiting Morgan Stanley. Catalyst. Strong earnings and positive sentiment on future regulatory policies. 4. GE Healthcare plus 12.8%. GE Healthcare rallied on bullish Wall Street upgrades and a major partnership with Sutter Health to develop AI-powered medical imaging technology. Analysts highlighted potential order growth from China following the Chinese New Year. Catalyst, positive analyst sentiment, strategic partnerships, and an attractive valuation. 5. Wells Fargo plus 12.6%. Wells Fargo also rode the Trump trade, with investors optimistic about the potential removal of its $1.95 trillion asset cap imposed by the Fed. CEO Charlie Scharf's ongoing reforms and a stellar earnings report on Jan. 15 further supported the stock. Catalyst. Improved regulatory outlook, strong earnings, and progress under Scharf's leadership. Key takeaways. 1. The energy sector is leading the market with Cera Energy as a top performer. 2. Renewable energy stocks like Nextracker are making a strong comeback in 2025. 3. Financials such as Goldman Sachs and Wells Fargo are benefiting from the Trump administration's policies. 4. Healthcare remains a solid sector, with GE Healthcare and its strategic moves delivering significant gains. Call to action. If you found this recap helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more market insights and portfolio updates. Let me know in the comments, which sector are you most bullish on for 2025? Exclusive offers. 1. Join my Patreon for exclusive investing tips. Patreon.com/ErnieEB. 2. Claim your free stock. rb.jai/Ernie. See you in the next video. #stock market #2025 outlook. #Cera Energy #Nextracker #Goldman Sachs. #GE Healthcare #Wells Fargo #investing tips.